Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the semiconductor ETF and show you a semi that is on the brink of a breakout. While the group of semiconductors are looking really good, a lot of them are getting a bit extended. I mean, you look at NVDA and you think, wow, this stock is up 100% since January. Good for anyone who bought in January. But in terms of new entries right now, in my opinion, a lot of these semiconductors are extended. And so you got to look for clear buy points on the chart so at least you can define your risk in some manner. And with that, I want to show you ASML. Now, anyone who knows anything about semiconductors knows semiconductors don't get made without the company ASML. They have some of the most advanced machinery for creating and making semiconductors in the world. And this chart, while it is a bit extended from the 8-day and the 21-day EMA, it is coming up to a clear breakout point over here from the high in February. You can see how we kind of bumped up against that, $700 level. Let's round up a few dollars. $700 level in February, pulled back to the 100 EMA, tried it again, couldn't do it, and now we're right there again. So I want to see if ASML can get above that $700 level and hold above that level and do it on volume. Now, if it does, it's probably going to bounce up and down around that area. And so I do think it's a pretty key level to watch just because it was a previous resistance zone. And so if it does break above, I expect it to at least retest that area a few times just to make sure that the breakout is valid. So keep an eye on ASML. Watch that key $700 level. And definitely keep your eyes on the semiconductors. A lot of these stocks are working great in this market. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. You can click the link, take a trial, take advantage of a huge library of trading tutorials, and get active ideas each and every day. So I hope to see you on the other side at StockMarketMentor.com.